Truck accident lawyer, Farmington Hills, Michigan, the Sam Bernstein Law Firm. Our firm has represented victims of truck accidents in Farmington Hills and throughout Michigan. We have been able to negotiate favorable settlements and jury verdicts on behalf of our clients. At the Sam Bernstein Law Firm, we handle all types of truck accidents, including commercial trucking accidents and personal injury cases. We will work tirelessly to receive the compensation you deserve, no matter how minor your injuries are. We are dedicated to providing outstanding legal assistance to truck accident victims. Our purpose is to achieve fair compensation for our clients. Call us today for a free case review. Are you looking for a truck accident lawyer near me? You can stop looking. You found the Sam Bernstein Law Firm. What is a truck accident lawyer? A truck accident lawyer is a legal expert that specializes in managing issues involving commercial trucks, tractor-trailers, and other large vehicles. They offer legal representation and help people who have been wounded or harmed in truck accidents. When should I hire a truck accident lawyer? If you were in a truck accident and suffered injuries or property damage, you should contact a truck accident lawyer as soon as possible. At the Sam Bernstein Law Firm, we can assist you navigate the legal system, safeguard your rights, and seek recompense for your losses. What is your service area for the Farmington Hills, Michigan office? Our truck accident lawyer has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Farmington Hills, Farmington, Franklin, Novi, Northville, Plymouth, Livonia, Southfield, Birmingham, West Bloomfield Township, Bloomfield Hills, Wixom, Pontiac, Westland, and Canton, Michigan. Where is your Farmington Hills, Michigan truck accident lawyer office located? We are located at 31731 Northwestern Highway No. 333, Farmington Hills, Michigan 48334. Our phone number is 800-225-5726. Visit our website, www.callsam.com/Farmington-Hills-personal-injury-attorneys.